Want to use your game controller as a mouse on PC? Here's how. First, connect your controller via USB or Bluetooth to your Windows PC. Open Steam Big Picture or Steam Settings and enable Steam input for the controller. Use the overlay to map the left stick to mouse movement and aid to left click. Alternatively, install Antimicro and create a profile mapping sticks and buttons to mouse actions. Save and apply the profile, then test cursor movement under desktop. Adjust sensitivity by lowering or raising mouse speed in Steam or Antimicro settings. Set a small dead zone to avoid drift, or increase it if the cursor jitters. Map the right stick to scroll or precise aiming, and add a modifier for fast mode. Quick tips: disable acceleration for consistent movement and invert axes if needed. Troubleshoot: reconnect the controller, update drivers, or reset the mapping profile if problems persist. You're ready. Use overlays for button-to-mouse mappings and save profiles per app.